Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. In this lesson, we will know more about Arab cultures. Arab is not a race, it's a culture term which describes people whose mother tongue is Arabic. Arabs are united by language, culture, and history. The Arab or Al Arab culture is divided into three main parts: the urban culture or Al Urban culture, the rural culture, and the nomad culture. So, not all Arabs ride camels as a means of transportation or live in tents in the desert. Uh, Not all Arabs are Muslims, and not all Muslims are Arabs. The majority of Arabs are Muslims, but there are also Christian and Jewish Arabs. Our Arab dresses for men ranges from the traditional robes in KSA or Saudi Arabia and the Qatar to Western business suits and casual clothes in Egypt and Lebanon. When it comes to food, Muslim Arabs are restricted from eating pork and drinking alcohol. In some Arab societies, they might use their hands for eating, but others use tableware. Uh, that's we are done in this lesson, guys.